Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to print a pocket logo on a small to large shirt. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and bring in our graphic. I'm just going to bring mine in as a black cotton. And I'm going to go ahead and select my graphic. Let's see here, I'm in my SD card, this guy right here. We're going to bring that in. Okay, once our graphic is loaded, we're not going to do any settings changes. We're going to print this as we would any regular cotton shirt. What we are going to do is resize the image. As you can see here, my image is 15 inches wide by 17 inches tall. I'm going to go ahead and resize this. I'm going to go 4 inches wide by 4 inches tall. Now, typically on a pocket logo, you don't want to go more than 4 inches wide. Depending if you're going to do like an actual pocket logo, you can go 4 by 4 or 4 by 5. If you're going to do more of a name tag, then you want to do about 4 inches, 4.5 inches by about 2 inches wide on a small through large shirt. When you get into the extra large shirts, 2XL shirts, we can go ahead and use the large platen. On my next video, I'll show you guys how to measure for that. In this video, we're just going to do a small through large shirts. I got my image here. What I want to do is I'm going to place my image 2 inches down from the very edge of the platen. So where my image starts to get solid, I want to put that at a 2-inch mark. I'm not going to go by the little ears here. I'm going to go with my actual solid image starts. Now you want to go ahead and place this over to the right as far as you can. If the image is has too much empty space here, you guys remember our cropping tool? We can use a define cropping tool to just delete any of that empty space that we don't need, just to bring our canvas or printing area as close to the image as possible. As you can see, mine here is close to that barcode or the QR code. So I'm going to go ahead and place that as far as I can towards the right. You can always drag it, or you can go to your offset X and put it all the way to the right. Okay, once that's there, we're going to go ahead and drag this over to the print queue. And then we're going to go to our printer and print this out. Once it's done printing, I'm also going to put it on so you guys get a better idea of how it looks. Alright everybody, now that our image has been sent from Colorgate to the printer, double check it's on here. Yep, our image is on there. We're going to go ahead and press our shirts. So we're going to go over to our heat press over here. I am going to be printing on a 100% cotton shirt. We want to make sure we add a little water to it, just to bring some of those fibers down. Remember guys, when adding water to your shirts, you want to press at least 30 seconds or until dry. You might need to do 2 intervals of 30 seconds. And we want to make sure we add water to our cotton shirts or any shirt that has cotton fibers in it. So we can go ahead and lay those fibers down so when we print on our RI2000, we get a nice smooth surface to print on. Okay, that's almost done there. So then we're going to bring it over to our printer. And then we're going to change our platen. This is the small one. Okay, so you guys remember we're going to use the medium platen. That on there. We're going to go ahead and put our shirt down like usual, with our collar hanging a little bit off the edge here. Going to make sure it's centered as best as possible. We're going to put our hoop on here, and we're going to make sure we do our height adjustments. So we're going to come over to our display. We're going to press start on there. Alright guys, so there's our image. It's printed. I'm going to go ahead and bring it over to our press again. I'm just going to give it a quick press, and then I'll throw this on so you guys can see how that looks. Alright. And just for the sake of time, I'm going to do a really quick press on this. Just enough so I don't smear it. And there you go guys. Chest logo print. If you want a little higher, just want to go a little higher. If you want to do just like a little name tag, once again, you want to do 4 inches, 2 inches down. If you want to do more of a pocket, it's going to be 3 inches, 4 inches down, maybe 5. But that's how you print on the chest, pocket side. Thank you guys for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave us some comments. Let us know what you guys think, and we'll get some more videos posted.